Hi there, this is Pete from East Anglian Car Audio in today sunny Great Yarmouth. I've just put a very good Kenwood DMX7522DABS into this Audi. Extremely good unit, another Apple CarPlay Android Auto head unit, all operated by voice recognition. There are three different types of home screen as demonstrated here. Various screensavers. Extremely good set. Leaving the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto out of the equation, it also boasts an HDMI input, which if you want to feed something like an Amazon Fire Stick and start streaming data from your phone, you can allow you to go on the internet obviously and watch YouTube, etc. The machine comes pretty standard now with a DAB radio, 18 presets, the standard Bluetooth obviously, like most head units have got. It's got obviously analog tuning, FM, AM, just a very good high resolution screen as well, so the clarity is superb. That's about it, folks. Just a very good head unit at a very realistic price. And please bear in mind that when you are buying a Kenwood product, it's beneficial to buy it from somebody like ourselves, who are a Pro installed dealer. You will get a no quibble 1-for-1 replacement warranty, 3 years, in the event of it ever going wrong, which is very unlikely. Thanks very much.